Let's make some business cards using Adobe Illustrator CC. It's very cool. It'll save you a lot of money. So here we go. Let's go into Adobe Illustrator. Okay, I'm just going to make a basic card, and I'm real zoomed in on my card. For me, I like this card. I've made other cards, but the thing is, what you do is you start out with a card that is 3 inches wide. And let me check that. I'm going to click this path right here. Is the path locked? Of course. Let's click this path. And then I'm going to go Window Info because I want to get this right for you. And here's the info panel. So the width of this thing is 252 and the height is 144 points. And I think that's like 3.5 inches by 2 inches tall. That's what it is, 3.5 by 2 inches tall. And if I zoom out, I'm on a letter size piece of paper, so to speak. It's 8.5 by 11, and on this thing I can create 10 business cards in total. And if I deselect, yes, I do have this black border, but that's just for me to see. Once I have all 10 cards created, then I'll get rid of the border, but that was just like a workspace for me. But you can put pictures in there, you know, whatever you want. So once you get all of that complete, and this is positioned just right, then you want to select your entire business card. And to do that, I just take the black arrow tool, make a marquee selection, and then I go to the Object drop-down menu. And my goal is to first create the first 5 cards over here, and then I'm going to take those 5 cards and turn them into 10. So here we go. First thing, I go Object, Transform, Move. And what we're going to do now, we're going to do for many different things with this little area here, Object, Transform. You can do some really cool things with these little group of options in here. So I'm going to go Object, Transform, Move. And I don't want to move this thing vertically at all, but I do want to move this horizontally by 2. Notice it's showing points right there, so I'm going to put in 2 IN for inches. I'm going to click Preview, and I don't want to click OK. I want to click Copy. So here we go. Okay, I did something wrong, so let's try that again. I'm going to go Object, Transform, Move. I'm going to move this vertically by 2 inches. There you go. Preview. There you go. And I'm going to click Copy. And then I'm going to go Object, Transform, Transform again. You can see the keystroke there. It's going to be different on the PC. I've got a Mac, but the keystroke, I can click Transform again, or I can just use my keystroke, Command D, Command D, Command D. There are my first 5 business cards. Then I'm going to select all of these, and I go Object, Transform, Move. And this time I'm going to set vertical to 0, And I'm going to set horizontal to 3.5 inches. And I'm going to click copy. And what happened there? Let's go move, horizontal, 3.5 inches. And there you go. I click OK. And now my business cards are almost all ready to go. Now, you could leave the line in there. I mean, this is already, you can take this to the printer and just have them print it out. But with everything selected, I'm going to bring my stroke to the front and give it the none sign. Let's see, let's select, I see. I really don't want to do each of these individually, but what I do want to do is select all of these rectangles, however you want to do that. I'm just going to shift click on each one and give those the none sign until none of them have a stroke around them. And this is a good thing because then when they cut the cards, they don't have to worry about those lines. So that's it. That's basically how you make your business cards. You can take this, turn this into a PDF, take it right on down to your favorite printing company, your copy company, select the type of paper you want to have these printed out on, and you are good to go.